They call us the Knights of the Weld Table. Alright, so you guys, this is kind of a different video. I don't usually make any videos about this truck in general, but as you can tell, I've been having a heck of a time with a pilot bearing. So I thought to myself, you know, I'm a welder, and I have a welder, so you know what I could do is weld a bolt on the end, right here, and then zap it loose with something like this. Now, I don't know if this is going to work. I'm definitely going to try. Okay, so now you guys can kind of see it. What the goal is here is to not to get the rest of this, not to get the rest of this too warm. There's not a lot of room up in here. And then, because I done been beating that crap, I gotta put this in there. And let's see if we can do it. And I hope I don't get in the way too much. Oop, knocking stuff over. Okay, so we'll give it a little toot on the bottom. Put it in there about maybe a quarter of the way. See what we got. That'll be really nice. It's a little warm. Know that. It'd be really nice if I could not be blinded. That'd be cool. That was really bright. Yeah. Batteries aren't the best in this thing. That's for sure. Huh. Well, it seems kind of solid to me. Oh boy, I hope that's not getting in the shot. There we go. Get some toots on there. Alright, let's hit that with some water before we heat that up and burn that seal up. That's what we need, water all over everything. Because that makes it really nice to weld. Always. Just burn it down a little bit. Oh gosh. And yes, I already used the bread trick. I done tried everything. And it is not wanting to break loose. So, I think we'll do one more little part there. Yeah, man, that's crazy. This thing doesn't barely want to light up. Okay, oh, no fire. Alright. Let's see what the old Tootaroonie will give her. Okay. Now that we've done that, got this all baby all hooked up here. I'm going to put it in reverse. Just because it seems like a better idea than most. Let's see what it does. Look at that. It's turning it. Look at that. Let me see if I can pull it. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. It actually worked. What do you think? Look, watch it. Watch this. This is what I've been wanting this whole time. And I've been fighting with it for 2 days. Look. That's what I've been wanting. Sweet. Heck yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. Now I just gotta figure out how to pull on it this way. Okay, so check this out. I came up with a little ingenious remover tool, right? Using just my hand. So I got a chisel in this hand and a impact socket in this one. So what I do is I set the impact socket against the cam or the crank. Get that to sit in there nice and tight. And then I grab me up a hammer, just like that. I give her a whack, just like that. So now I'm going to give her a little beating here. See if we can get it to come out. Look at that. Oop. I think it's coming out. Oop, that was the exhaust. And you could be saying, hey, you know, what about a regular puller? Well, I done tried that. I tried about every trick in the book, including the bread, and that didn't even want to work because it's a Ford. You need to have special tools and ingenuity to get it out. Matter of fact, we are moving it some. Look at that. We're making progress here, ladies and gentlemen. I believe with a few more whoopings, you can get it to come off. I just don't want to beat on that too much. Break it. That'll be fun. And you gotta replace the whole motor, right? Ah, look at that. Look at that. This piece of crap I've been fighting with for like 2 days. Oh, come on, focus. Look. Look at what I've got. Oh, come on, really? Might just be too dark. There we go. I got it out. And you guys were a witness. Being a welder does pay off. Anyway, I'm going to install the new one, get this all cleaned up and readied up and gussied up and everything. But thanks you guys for watching and tuning in. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. I don't usually beg for likes, but come on, man. That's cool right there, isn't it? See you in the next one. Peace.